Hi, it's Raphael with Chess House. Let's look at a JLP folding chessboard. It's a unique design with a special hinge, and the popular JLP chessboards have, some of them anyway, now have a folding design. This is the 2 1/4 inch square, and I'd like to show you the particular hinge and how it works so you can enjoy this, and show you a couple sets that I think work very well in terms of size on the 2 1/4 inch square. The hinge and the cut is actually not that obvious, as you might have noticed, but as you lift it, see that there is a barrel hinge. This offers complete invisibility of the hinge when the board is flat. So as the board closes, that hinge folds in on itself, within itself there. And yeah, it's a fantastic design that really suits the JLP line. The JLP products, of course, are a hardwood. This is walnut and maple. It's a solid block construction, finished very smoothly. And if you have a premium set of pieces that is appropriately sized, it's just a pleasure to play those pieces on such a board as this. Now, if you have some space constraints, you want to store it differently, that's when the folding design actually comes in very handy. I've put this vinyl here to protect the surface and, more importantly, protect the board. Now let's look at a design that I would recommend here in ebonized with boxwood. For a 2 1/4 inch square, this is a full 4 inch tall, just under 2 inch square base, diameter that is. It's surprising how much this 2 1/4 inch square is larger than the 2 inch visually, and that gives you a lot more options when it comes to pairing pieces with this board. The black finish, ebonized finish, does contrast really well with these boards. So that's one option. Now we can go even larger with a different set of pieces. And I've chosen here a 4 1/4 inch design. It's a really interesting detailed knight. And on the dark side, I have a set of rosewood pieces. Now these are not going to be available for very long because rosewood is now difficult to obtain. But I wanted to use this set as a demonstration because the deep, dark, reddish tones of that rosewood, I think, go very nicely with this board. So if you can obtain a rosewood set, that's definitely a great option. And in this case, you get to see how that pairs with this JLP folding board. Now, if I forgot to mention, this is a 4 1/4 inch tall king. That's a massive set. In summary, if you're looking for the finest hardwood chessboard that has the added function of a very special concealed hinge, this is the board that I would recommend. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to help you find a great chess set for your home or wherever you play chess.